upon a time, long, long, long ago, a dragon's treasure began to glow. A brave young knight named Timmy the Bold heard a story, a tale to be told. He heard in the ancient wood a dragon's gold where it once stood. He packed his sword and climbed so high, packed to touch the sky. Past tense, a magical spell. Stories of yesterday we love to tell. Found the map, followed the trail, find, found without fail. The dragon's treasure, a shining grail. He fought a goblin small and green. Fight, fought, a funny scene. He swam a river sparkling clean. Swim, swam like a water queen. He saw a castle tall and grand. See, saw across the land. Past tense, a magical spell. Stories of yesterday we love to tell. Found the map, followed the trail, find, found without fail. The dragon's treasure, a shining grail. He fought a goblin small and green. Fight, fought, a funny scene. He swam a river sparkling clean. Swim, swam like a water queen. He saw a castle tall and grand. See, saw across the land. Past tense, a magical spell. Stories of yesterday we love to tell. Found the map, followed the trail, find, found without fail. The dragon's treasure, a shining grail. Timmy the Bold, with treasure so bright, remembered his journey with all his might. The end. Dragon's treasure, a shining grail. Timmy the Bold, with treasure so bright, remembered his journey with all his might.